first step. Okay, so how to download Node.js? So you have to go to your browser, download Node.js for Windows. So this is the official website, download Node.js, and you see it has for Windows, and if you wanted to do it for Mac, you can go to the respective place and then download. So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it for Windows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Windows, and then I'll select for the respective OS. So if you wanted to do it for Mac, select this. If you wanted to do it for Linux, you can do that. So now what I'm going to do is select Windows, and then see there is a Windows installer. Click on this. So see, it is getting downloaded. So once that is done, you just need to open that folder and then install it. Open this and then double click, and then see this window will come, and then you just click on next button and then accept, and then click on next, and no need to change any path. See program files node.js and click on next. And see here there is a npm package manager. Okay, so node package manager which is already available, don't change anything, click on next. And then if you see, some npm modules need to be compiled from C++ when installing. If you wanted to install such modules, some tools, Python, Visual Studio build tools need to be installed, you have to check this checkbox. For now we don't want any of those, that's the reason I'm not checking this checkbox. Click on next button, and finally click on install. And once that is done, your Node.js will be installed onto your system. It will take couple of minutes, and then it will ask for you to click on yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes, and then the Node.js will be installed. Once that is done, you need to ensure that software is installed, the Node.js is installed properly or not. Click on finish button. So what you have to do is, before you go there, first you need to check whether the environment variables are set properly or not. So how do? You go to your this PC, right click, and then go to properties, and then you will have an option here to type environment variables. Edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. There you see system environment variables. There is one variable called path. Just click on edit, and by default your Node.js path and your Node.js modules path will be added to the system. If at all these are not added, what you have to do is you have to you have to have this path, and then click on new, and then you should be in a position to add this. Since it is already available, I am not going to add this. Okay, so you have to ensure that these are available in the environment variables. Click on OK, and then click on OK. And now I wanted to check whether that is installed properly or not. Go to command prompt cmd, and then node hyphen hyphen version, and click on enter. Then obviously you will be able to see the node version. So if it shows the version number, that means your node installation is proper. See, v22.14.0. Similarly, you can check for npm hyphen v hyphen hyphen version. Sorry, npm. Let me open it again. cmd node hyphen hyphen version, and similarly npm hyphen hyphen version. See, both of them are installed successfully. Now what you have to do is, this means your node installation is proper.